Hello mga Mars, welcome back to my channel, Current Station here. About dun sa last episode ng podcast ng Tamang Panahon ng Eat Bulaga TVJ, marami ang nagulantang sa revelation ni Mrs. May Mendoza atay kay na sinabi nga niya doon na siya ay na-in-love kay Alden Richards nung kasagsagan ng ISS. Tao lang, na Paul, lagi kasi sa magkasama, pogi si Alden, pareho naman sang single that time. Kaya, na-share lang kasi nga, balik tanaw sila doon sa podcast na yon. Kanya-kanya silang may sinishare about 10 years ago ng teleserye. Yun nga lang, hindi sa nakaunlakan ni Alden Richards para dun sa podcast na yun. Kasi nga, siguro busy si Alden. Kaya hindi rin nakapagbigay o hindi nakapag-share si Alden about teleserye noon kung ano man. Marami ang lumalabas na sa SOCMED, marami ang lumalabas na parang pangit daw pag para kay Alden. Meron namang iba na pangit para kay Maine dahil sa kababaeng tao, mga ganun. Normal lang naman yun. Kahit sino. Ang ano lang kay Maine, straightforward siya. Tinanong niya yung tao para malaman niya kung same ba din ng nararamdaman niya. Di ba? Wala namang masama dun. Yung mga tao talaga, ang hirap mag-isip. Ngayon, sa kanya, sa main content, ni Mendoza at siya ay nag-post kaninang 10:47 a.m. Bago magbulaga ay talagang nag-post dito si May ng napakahabang mensahe. Babasahin lang natin. Una, quote and quote, good morning. Okay, so about the last podcast episode, una sa lahat, I didn't think the part about my story with Alden would spark controversy, let alone be a big deal, considering that everyone had already moved on from Paliseri and Alden. From the start, I hope the clashes between fans on both sides would end, at least even though the hate train aimed at me was non-stop then and apparently still remains. The point of our podcast is to look back on Teleserye and discuss and share behind-the-scenes stories, the untold ones, and that can include personal experiences, narratives, and sentiments. I believe it's acceptable to reflect and openly discuss them for this podcast, especially now that it's been a decade and all is well between the individuals involved, particularly me and Alden. There is no reason to exclude him from the story, our story, despite his absence, because he was a big part of Calicelia and it would have felt strange to leave him out. That said, there was no intention to provoke criticism or negativity towards him or anyone else. I was asked, I answered, and I shared a short anecdote. I believe it's not a bad thing to share a personal story related to the question and topic as long that it's based on facts. There was no malice or ill intent behind my sharing that story about myself, him, and us. There are countless other stories I've kept to myself and chosen not to share. You know how podcasts work. They can be really personal, but ours didn't even go that far. All stories shared were surface level. But the biggest question will always be, why do we get criticized for saying our truth and the truth? And why is it when we do, some people resort to personal attacks meant to demean and harm? I get that we have big supporters who aren't really fans of the other. But why the hostility? Why pit a woman against a man? As if there's a competition for who's more successful. Success in this sense is ridiculously measured and defined by career achievements, as if our lives revolve solely around our jobs. In the grand scheme of things, what is really there to prove? All the hatred and comparisons? What for really? All is well among the upper gods. We've all moved on, and the past remains there. We can revisit and reflect on the good and the bad with a peaceful heart. 10 years on, we are all living the lives we chose, and I hope we can keep moving forward without nurturing hate. Because what's the point? What do we gain from hostility? Again, in the grand scheme of things, what truly needs proving? Find your own answers. Let's live for what makes us happy and make life less complicated and chaotic. Life is short. When our time comes and memories flash before our eyes, don't let yours be filled the moment you spewed negativity online. Don't let it be your only contribution to this life. Ang dami pang pwedeng gawin sa buhay bukod sa pagiging tambay sa internet at pagiging bitter. If there's another world for better things to do, live a better truth. P.S. Please don't throw hate on Alden regardless of what he meant by his words. It was really for the best for both of us and our situation at that time. Don't read much into it. Guys, I'm not talking about my haters and bashers alone. This is for everyone. Fans, haters, and casuals. Yun lang. Ang dami kong sinabi. Have a great day ahead. Eat bulaga na. I love you, Mince. Ano? Yun ay napagkwentuhan lang. Tapos na, may kanya-kanya-kanyang buhay na. Huwag nang palitan. Kaya nga, di ba, tamang panahon, tanaw. Huwag na kasing gawa ng kasama pang issue. So, regarding naman dun sa na-post kong video na si Alden ay sabi nga ni Alden, kasagot ni May na kung gano'n din ang nararamdaman niya, hindi niya masagot sa ngayon kasi mawawala ang magic. So, iisipin mo nga, business lang talaga, gano'n lang. Pero ngayon naman, may lumalabas sa Black Hat na interview niya kay Tito Boy Abunda na in love ba daw siya kay Mimi. Hypocrite daw siya na tao kung hindi niya sinabi ko. Yun lang.
And that's it, mga Mars. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more scoops. Bye!